Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Another green day here on the markets, consistently up now for 5 months. A few up and down days in between, but pretty much up and up consistently since the beginning of the year. How are you? Are your portfolio up? Love to hear from you. Come into the live chat. Let us know where you are in the world. And we aim to be the most honest, real, reliable, trustworthy YouTube channel in the world. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every single trading day. And then we have music concerts in the evening as well. I'm the world piano man and I do music in my music studio. As you can see behind me, not often green in the studio. Doesn't look good when you're performing unless you're doing the Wizard of Oz. Other than that, we like to reflect the color of the day. Today is certainly a green day. All right, good morning and welcome everybody from around the world. Who was first here in the show? We got Bill from Canada. Stephen Lewandowski's just come in from Florida. These are our members with their gold badges. In fact, Stephen Lewandowski will have a gold badge soon, I'd imagine. Good morning to you from Aloha. It's 2:30 in the morning in Hawaii. Well, welcome to you. And we won't argue about the time again. We've been there. We've done that. Couldn't believe it. Malk UK, good morning, afternoon, gents. Welcome to Malk from the UK. Joins us every day as well. All right, brilliant. Let's get straight into our positions now. You can see on the screen a ticker running at the bottom. It gives you all the information about the show. If you go below, you'll see all the links in the description of this video for my social media. You can follow me on Twitter at Martyn Investor. If you do that, I will post all my trades before I make them and comment alongside the show. If you want to give me a crypto tip, it was asked the other day, could we do crypto tipping? You can. It's martynlucas.com/tip. It's a secure server. You haven't got to sign up. You haven't got to do anything. What it does is you go there and it shows you my QR code for my for my Coinbase wallets, and then if you want to tip and highlight your name on the screen and get a bit of animation and ask a question, you can do that as well. Brilliant. Fantastic. We are looking at accepting more crypto in the future, but I have to make $50 first because you have to spend $50 to upgrade to Pro. Anyway, so we're looking at that. And of course, today is our big giveaway day as well. Big giveaway day on the show. We're giving away a big star prize today. It's our biggest ever, $125 in cash. It has a value of at least $1,000, if not 2,000. 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius and $125 in cash. Million views in 80 days. Hopefully it'll be less. I lost a week because I was down because of my new computer. But this new computer, I think you've all noticed, is a lot faster, smoother, better. It was worth the investment, even if it does take a while to pay it off this year. It means I can't invest anything. I'm having to make money out of money. And I'm doing so at the moment by about $300 on average a day over the last, not every day, but most days. Okay, let's go into our main positions. Let's have a look. First of all then, let's bring this up. This is my brokerage account. We're at 40,580. That's great. That's just about an all-time high. We're an all-time high on my Roth IRA, which is great. And there's an all-time high today, all-time high, 54,676. And remember, I'm bringing no money in at all at the moment, literally at all. $4 a week is the exact number I'm bringing in. That's it. That's all I've got to invest, okay? Because I've got to pay for my computer and it's taking all my money from what I earn on YouTube, and that is all I earn. All right, so I'm having to make money from money. So there's our positions. Let's have a quick look at the heat map and see what's glowing today. Tesla is standing out up 2.09. Amazon's down very slightly, but still very, very strong. It's had an incredible run over the last few days. Our crypto Coinbase, this is our crypto challenge with Ali Tizro. This is where I get my tips. My tips come into here, and what I do is, so not to interrupt with Ali Tizro's challenge, what I do is I found a way for 1 cent, which is phenomenal, to use the advanced trade to sell the tip. Yesterday it was Litecoin and also Bitcoin from Eric. If you exchange it, it's too expensive. If you try to turn it into USD, it's too expensive. But if you do an advanced trade, it's 1 cent, and that is the entirety of the transaction from you sending it to me getting it. 1 cent. Well, that's 30% on YouTube, so it's pretty good, right? One as a super chat, 1 cent. Then what I do is I put that money in my USD seat, earning 4%. So that's how I do it. So if I get a crypto tip, I sell it for 1 cent, because we don't want to interrupt with Ali's plans, leaving coins all over the place, because if they go down or whatever, then my tips would disappear. This has to be my income, because this is what I live on. If I'm not getting it on Super Chats, I have to get it on here. This is what I live on. This is what pays the bills. So I can't have my income sat on Binky Bonk coin, okay? So I sell the asset and put it into USDC, which is stable, and that earns 4%. So while I'm not using the money to pay a bill, it's earning 4%, which is still benefiting our crypto challenge, but it's also not high risk. The other stocks that Ali has managed are the risk stocks. Okay, makes sense? Brilliant, isn't it? Okay, let's carry on going through all our positions. Now, we just put out a few moments ago the IonQ earnings. If you want to check it out, go and check it out. The IonQ earnings just posted on my channel just a few moments ago. I put it out. Let me scroll down here a second. Here we go. It's a new video. There we go. New video. IonQ earnings. It's just posted 1 hour ago. It's the edited version without the talk before and after, and obviously it's enhanced in 4K and quality sound. So you got broadcast sound. If you want to go and check it out, here it is on the channel right now. It's just posted. If you want to learn all about quantum computers and IonQ, there is quantum computers right there for you. All right. Okay, I just posted it. Now, also, it's our big giveaway today. We're giving away a $1,000 minimum. It's way more than that in value, 125 bucks in cash. That's today. This video here gives you opportunity to get 50 free tickets to enter the draw. 50 free tickets. It's the most and it's the last. It's the last video coming out for the competition. Make sure you watch it all the way through, like it, and add the comment through the competition page, which you know is martynlucas.com/giveaway. And we're doing the draw this afternoon live on the show. You won't want to miss that, will you? Right. Hi, Octavio. And don't worry, if you can't make the show, it doesn't matter. If you can't make the show, you'll still be notified if you win. All right, Octavio, good morning to you. Mike, the greatest YouTube channel in the world. I love it. Sensei, Eric, Bill, Malk, Jesse, Liam, welcome to all of you. Right. Let me give everyone the links you might want to use. Here is the crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip. If you want to take part in that, you can. Get highlighted on the screen. Now then, we've got our newsletter. Someone asked me yesterday, Robinhood free stocks. Yes, we're giving away Robinhood free stocks up to $200 if you are in the US. Use my referral code there. We both get free stocks, and I will share with you what I get. We've got a new Rumble channel. We're trying to get to 100 followers by the end of the day. We might just do it. It's 2 weeks today. Okay, there is my investor channel and my music channel. Please go and follow both. We're trying to get to 100 by the end of the day. Shall we have a quick look where we are right now? This is Rumble. Let's see if anybody's in there. We're 84 followers. This is Rumble right now. Rumble helps YouTube, and it also is an extra way to promote what we're doing here. So it's good. Rumble, and we're also investing in the stock and covering the earnings next week. So we're excited. There's Eric, as you can see, top of the chat. He's always there. He's got a separate tab open. Really, really helps, by the way. So there you go. We're up to 4 watching right now. What have we got? 1 like? Have we got 1 like? No, we've got 4 likes. Oh, very good indeed. Everyone's liked it. Brilliant. So we've got 16 to get by the end of the day to get 100 in the first 2 weeks. Would be brilliant, wouldn't it? And also, I want to give you Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. If you want to talk to us 24 hours a day offline, you can through Discord. We've got 45 minutes before the bell goes. Good morning, Bill. Here we go. There's Discord. And our brand new weekly newsletter starts this Sunday. If you want to be in our competitions, know about them ahead of time, be able to get extra tickets. If you want to hear some highlights of my music, if you want to hear my stock tips, what I'm buying, news from Robinhood, there's snacks, all kinds of stuff I send to you in the newsletter once a week. You can unsubscribe at any point, but there is the newsletter. Okie dokie. And it's the all links page, martynlucas.com/links. When you click on it, you come to this page. Here's my all links page. And you simply put your email in there. Nothing more. I don't want your name, address, nothing. Just your email. You can always unsubscribe at any point if you don't like my newsletter. Scroll down and you'll see all the links. You'll see both channels, the YouTube, the Rumble, the TikToks, the Instagrams, the Twitters, the old thing. In fact, is my Twitter not there? Oh, yeah, there's my Twitter. I was thinking, bloody hell, that should be right at the top. And these are all my free stocks. If you want some free money from Ecamm Live, free money from Restream, Robinhood free stocks, ETORO, Crypto.com, and Coinbase, these are all your free stocks and shares you can pick up if you want to get any of that. All right, then, let's get back into it. How do you use advanced trade and you can buy crypto with it for minimal fee? Right, let me show you. This is very, very important. It makes all the difference. It means you can buy and sell. I do it all the time. It's the only way to do it. It's the only way to do it. So here we go. This is my Coinbase. Let's say, for example, now someone has given me a tip, martynlucas.com/tip. They've given me a tip. They've had a request, they've asked me a question, they sent me a tip. It's cost them nothing if they've done scanned it from to my wallet. It's yesterday we saw it was a 0.000001 of a gas fee cost Ali to send me a tip. It was phenomenal. Then I received it for free, so there's no deduction so far. We're all good. Now I want to sell it. Now if I exchange it, it costs 99 cents. Well, if someone gives me $1 tip, I don't want to sell it for. I don't want to exchange it for USD. That's 50%. I would have been better getting a super chat, right? What I want to do is sell it and then buy USDC, which is free on Coinbase, right? So this is how I do it. I've got an asset. Let's say I've got XRP. Let's just say I've got XRP, for example, and I want to. Oh, I can't trade, of course, XRP on Coinbase. Let's Bitcoin. Let's say, for example, I've got Bitcoin and I want to trade it. What I do is I go first of all, at the top of the screen, I go here. I click the dots at the top. Can you see all the little dots at the top? Top left-hand corner. Right at the top. It's very hard for me to show you, but my hands are all back to front. Right at the top left-hand corner, there's all these little dots. Click on there and it says, look, advanced trade. See it? Advanced trade. Click on advanced trade and then I come into this screen. Now BTC, I want to sell BTC, right? So I go, all right, I'm going to sell it. So I go, you can't quite see. At the bottom of the screen, there's sell. In fact, if I change to a different screen, you might see it. Just bear with me a second. I'll take away the ticker for the moment so it makes it easier for you. I'm answering a question from one of our members this morning. No, it's right at the bottom. It's off the screen as buy and sell. So just look at the bottom and there's sell. Okay, I go sell, and let's say I want to sell. I want to sell $10 or $1 of Bitcoin. $1 preview sell order, and there it is. 1 cent. 1 cent. And that's how I do it, and that's how you should do it. And every time Ali does a crypto challenge and we buy some assets and then he says sell them, that's how you sell them. If you sell them the standard way, the way it wants you to sell them, you'll pay 99 cents. Well, if you're only selling a $1, if I'm selling a $1 of Bitcoin, I've just got a tip from somebody, I don't want to pay 100% in commission. I want to pay 1%, which on YouTube as a super chat would have been 30%. This is now down to 1%, and I'm done. And now I'm earning 4% because I'll sell that. Now you might say, why don't you convert it into USD? USD conversion is still a fee, and it's way higher than 1 cent. So 1 cent is the way to go. Advanced trade, I hope that answers your question. That was for Malk UK. All right, we just gave that information there to Malk UK. I hope that that answers your question, all right? Back to my assets. There you go. Okay, makes sense? That was especially for one of our members, Malk UK. He wanted a full breakdown of how to do that. If you're a member, I can review stocks, answer questions like that. And now what Malk's going to do is give me a $500 of Bitcoin as a tip. Right, cheers, everybody. Okay. You've gone quiet now, Malk. Did you get that information? Right. Hope you did. Okay, where are we? Let's carry on going. Let's get back to our main positions. Now, this morning, I nibbled at gold. Brilliant. Thanks for explaining. You're very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome. Now then, this morning, what are we buying this morning? Let's have a little look. Virgin Galactic. It's popped up. I'm holding it in my long position, but not enough to go down for my Roth IRA yet. Mullen. I don't hold it in my main account. I only hold it in my in my Roth IRA. I'm not buying any more. It's down 30%. Great info, Martin. Save me lots on fees. Thank you. You're very, very welcome. Very, very welcome. It's a top tip there. Save everybody lots of money, right? Coinbase will be messaging me going, what, Martin, you know, your channel's growing like about 40 subscribers a day. That's 40 people a day you're telling how to take money from us. Can you stop doing it? No, I can't. Well, can we sponsor you? Can we sponsor you $1 million and then you can stop saying it? No. You can sponsor me and I can tell how wonderful you are, but you can't sponsor me $1 million for me to deceive my members. No, I will tell them how to do it, but I'll promote your platform at the same time. You can pay me $1 million for that, but I can't give any information that is detrimental to my members, no matter how much money you give me. No sponsor gets in that way. Right, gold. Now, we tried to buy gold this morning. Tried to buy gold, didn't go through. We're looking to buy some gold this morning. It's very close, and we'll see if we can nibble more. I'm going to buy a whole share of SBDR Gold Trust this morning. I'm buying some gold if it goes where I want it. It's not there yet. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, up 0.72. Tesla riding high now. We've had a good run of Tesla, up 7.49 now over the week. Tesla is also down over the month, but we are getting back. It's making a big impact in my portfolio. It is, of my Roth IRA, it is 22%. Extremely weighted on my Roth. It needs to be trimmed. Lucid, going down. It's only worth 6 at best, and I'm being generous. Yes, me too, Eric. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, NextEra Energy. Very nice. I'm just about in the money, but I'm earning it on dividends. Enphase. The dividends, remember, on Enphase on NextEra Energy is really, really good. It's 2.27. Very, very good indeed. Enphase Energy, 28% down on my main account, which is a good position, but I'm not buying any more. On Enphase Energy, I'm up now on this position. So this is where I could sell and take a compensation because I've already got Enphase Energy in my brokerage account, $1,000. So I've got $2,000 of Enphase. So what I could do is I could sell when we make some level of profit and take it off the table. Not a bad idea. Bitcoin, let me realign Bitcoin. That's just changed. There we go. Bitcoin is down 26 now. It's going down to 15. That's where I see it going. I hold it at 15. Tilray Brands up today 0.41. I'm down 12% on my main account. On my Roth IRA, I'm down 2. I bought more last night. I thought, okay, I'll buy it at 244. So I did. We're on a wash for that right now. Let's see if it makes a difference. Robinhood, looking to buy Robinhood. In my Roth, we sold it. We took a profit. It was down. It's going up. Looking for a discount. Is it sell off Friday? SoFi, IonQ. IonQ, I doubled and tripled last night. I bought, and now I'm up 5%. I liked the earnings. They lost money, but I like where they're going. They're ahead of schedule. They're ahead of target for the quantum computers of the future. So I like all that. Mika Flemons, good morning. I love his tie. I want to get one of those, Mika Flemons. Tesla to update all their Chinese vehicles. CNBC. Tesla to update all their Chinese vehicles. What do you mean by that? Let me go over to Bloomberg right now. See what I can see. Sky News, see what I can see. We know that Elon Musk has stepped down from CEO. That's good. I like it. I'm very happy about that. Tesla shareholders like it. I don't see any information yet about that. Malk UK, send it into Discord. You can do that. You are a member. You have the power. Meta. YouTube. Why did I just read that out? Facebook, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, YouTube. No, YouTube isn't a stock. Well, it is. It's Google. But you know what I mean. Anyway, we've got the earnings coming up for Rumble, May 15th. Arrival, May 16th. Walmart, May 18th. More and more earnings on this show. We cover all the major stocks, and we're live up to 10 hours a day. Very, very good indeed. Right, Bill is just popped in to say hello on Rumble. How are you, Bill? Look, this is Bill over here. Look, there he is in Rumble. Now, what are we up to? We're up to 84 followers. Let me refresh it in case it's moved. 86. Oh my gosh, 14 to go. I set a ridiculous target of 100 followers on Rumble in 2 weeks. That is today at the end of the day. Imagine if I'd started YouTube and got 100 followers subscribers within 2 weeks. No chance. But we're trying to do that. So there you go. 14 to go. Very, very nice. Like it. Let's see what happens. What's Rumble? Rumble is YouTube. It's actually in partnership with YouTube. It looks like YouTube, doesn't it? This is Rumble. We are buying shares in it because it's the new YouTube, if you like. Basically what it does, there's no restrictions what you can stream. Extra content, things that you can't put on YouTube, adult content, and so on. So it's growing very quickly, and the super chats and the ad revenue is higher on Rumble. We're buying shares in Rumble, and we are covering the earnings next week. It's a new technology, but it looks just like YouTube. Remember, my home is YouTube. It's the biggest search engine in the world. Google. We're not abandoning YouTube. What we're doing, we're having Rumble running at the sidelines because we don't know the future. We want to make sure that we are building an audience on both platforms. It's very, very important. Any of you have traded gold recently? I just tried to buy some Daniel Diaz a few moments ago. It didn't quite go through. I'm starting to buy gold, yes. Martin, you're going to try and get in the USA Synchro Swimming for the... What? Martin, you going to try and get in the USA Synchro Swimming for LA 2000 Olympics 2018? No, I'm not. The only people on YouTube are far-right MAGA people who are banned on all other... The only people on YouTube... What is Arnold saying? The only people on YouTube are far-right MAGA people who are banned on all other platforms. I don't get that. YouTube is the biggest search engine and the biggest video broadcasting software in the world. I don't know what you're talking about. Every single company, every... CNBC, the BBC, every celebrity, every TV channel is on YouTube. I don't know what you mean. Oh, Rumble, I mean. Rumble. Going to say, I knew that made no sense. Okay, Rumble. Okay. I don't agree with you. I think that's how it started, but that's we all know how the rebel channel starts. That's what it's all about, right? Anyway, what is moving gold price action today? We'll discuss that in a minute. The best person to ask is 22 and Sensei Crypto. They'll tell you. On TV, just posted in Discord, stock news. Thank you very much indeed. I'll go and look now. The Snap. Good morning, Wahid Rahimi. Where are you from in the world? Welcome to our channel. We got our big giveaway today. $125 in cash, over $1,000 value. Check. The Snap, check. I have no idea what you're saying. You want me to review a stock? You got to come in and say hello, get to know the family. It's a perk I do for members. You got to say hello first and get friendly. We got to learn who you are first. Anyway, spoiler: the war will be over. As soon as it does, the stocks go up 30%. No, sorry. The stocks go up 20%. My portfolio will go up 20% in a day. That's announced. Martin does water dancing for his back. Water dancing. I love the way he says that. It's water aerobics, and right now I don't, because I'm focused on this show and paying off my computer. So let's get that straight, okay? All right. Right then, we've got 16 watching now on Rumble. We've got just a few hours left to go. We're at 86 followers. 14 to go. We're trying to beat YouTube, getting 100 followers in the first 2 weeks. Absolutely brilliant. So let's have a quick look. Bayar just subscribed to me. Welcome to you. This is interesting. We have on Rumble right now 16 watching with 4 likes, and over on YouTube you can see how it's growing very quickly. 35 and 20 likes. So there we go. YouTube is still winning this morning. All right. Okay. Is media going to clap markets today with debt ceiling meeting being moved to next week? Well, of course, if we don't raise the debt ceiling, then the USA will default, and that would be absolutely catastrophic. Would you please review Snap? Wahid, I have to focus on my members. You'll notice that 95% of my live viewers have a badge. We had the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. I'm very proud of that. 95% of our live viewers are members. And there are many, many perks to being a member. 20 times back what you put in. I aim to be the best, most honest, most rewarding YouTube channel in the world. I go live 10 hours a day, every trading day. And one of the perks of many that you get as a member, even a bronze level member, is I can review a stock, make a video on it, promote it. I'll even sometimes buy shares in the stock with a super chat to promote it if I believe it's a good stock. I can do it for you if no other member is asking me questions. If other members are asking me questions, which they are right now, I can't focus on you. So let me give you the invitation to join. If, however, I get a break in the show and I've got nothing to cover, then I'll come back to you. But I'm sure you appreciate the members who pay a couple of bucks a month to be a member deserve and expect their Rolls-Royce service. It's what it's all about. But if I get a chance, I will. So I'll come back to you. Wahid, what part of the world are you from? We'd like to welcome you in. Okay, our biggest ever giveaway today, $125 in cash and $1,000 worth of one-on-one training given to you for free. martynlucas.com/giveaway. We do it today. You've got chance to enter today. It's our best ever giveaway. There it is in the chat. Martin, can you also stream on Twitch? Guess what, Daniel? I am on Twitch. I'm on Twitch right now. Here is me on Twitch. I cannot believe you didn't know. It's Martyn Lucas Investor. The same name, the same channel. There I am. I'm on Twitch. I have been ever since we started. There we go. If you go to the All Links page, which is where you sign up for the newsletter, you will see my Twitch. All right. I think it's there. Is it there? Shall I give you my link to Twitch as you've asked? Very quickly for you. Here's Twitch. I didn't know you didn't realize that. There you go. There you go. Now, you might have to downgrade the quality of the stream resolution because I stream in 4K and Twitch doesn't like it. So you might have to lower the resolution if it glitches for you. Canopy growth restructure, Canadian operations to lay off 800 in latest cost-cutting move. BNN Bloomberg, this company is coming together. Thank you very much indeed. Daniel, I just gave you that answer. Liam Laffey, we thinking dilution of Virgin Galactic will happen after test flight. Yes. Yes. Absolutely, I do. I'm not. I'm holding my long-term position, but I'm scalp trading along the journey to make money because at the end of the day, it's free money along the journey. You've got to take profits along the way. You can't just be holding it, thinking everything's just going to keep going up when it flies and so on and so forth. They are going to raise, so just be very wary of that. And I speak to Virgin Galactic nearly every day. Via Twitter and other sources. Good morning, everyone. Mike says he's here on Twitch. Look, there he is with his Twitch badge. Thanks, Mike. And it's good to help us out on that channel. It helps promote YouTube. Same as TikTok, you see. TikTokers, I'm giving away $125 in cash today on YouTube. It's our best ever giveaway and 15 hours of one-on-one training. YouTube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Always the same name, always spelt correctly. I have over 100 scammers on TikTok. Be very careful. They are not me. They're not going live. They only message you trying to sell you stuff. I always go live and I never message you. And I don't do follow for follow. You know I'm the real channel because I have 36,000 followers or whatever it is, and I follow my members on YouTube, which is about, I think I follow about 40 people on TikTok. That's it. All right? Okay. Links in the profile, and you can come in. If you come into YouTube now and say, I'm from, the audio is duplicating. Your audio is duplicating. Let me check that. Someone said on TikTok, my audio is duplicating. I don't see how it can, but I'm going to check. Let me have a quick look. If I go into TikTok on here, I can actually hear it myself. I can't see how it is, but you never know. Let's have a quick listen in. All right. All right. All right. All right. That's because I'm listening to it through there. Your audio, is everybody else hearing that? Let me just connect my phone a minute. Let me check that. I don't think it is, but I want to check. You never know. Let me just connect my phone a minute. Let me check that. I don't think it is, but I want to check. You never know. Let me just connect my phone a minute. Let me check that. I don't think it is, but I want to check. You never know. Just bear with me a second. I'm just checking my phone here. Just bear with me a second. I'm just checking my phone here. Just bear with me a second. I'm just checking my phone here. One. Okay, I don't see any issue there at all. All right. We just did a test for somebody on TikTok who asked for a review. They said there was an audio issue, but I don't see there is a problem. I've messed up my stream now. I shouldn't have done that, really. I tried to answer everyone's question. Maybe I shouldn't. Can't reconnect my phone now. Okay, we're back there. Is everybody, sounds good to me? Yeah, I think someone was having a laugh there. I was trying to be respectful and check. I answer everyone's question. If anyone has a problem and it's not been said before, if it's something new, if people then try and do that again, I won't do it. But I thought it was a real problem, so I checked it. It doesn't appear to be a problem. Okay. The reason why someone could be hearing me twice is they may have YouTube open and TikTok at the same time. That could be happening. Let's go to a commercial break. We're all fixed again now. Get out of it. Martin, FFIE, I hear okay. Ed Nivius, is it me or is there no sound? Everything is fine. I was doing a check for someone on TikTok and everything is fine. Thanks, Ed. It's me. Trust Securities initiates SoFi Technology to buy with $8 price target. Let's go to a commercial break. That's what I should do. All right. Martin, are you into cannabis? I really think the sector has bottomed. Adding more Tilray. Yes, I doubled my position on Tilray last night. Oh. Right, look at that. It's gone back up again. Yes, I doubled my position of Tilray this morning. Anyway, there we go. I've got one of my subscribers over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. If you want to support my channel and get exclusive content, see the little star just there? If you click the star there, I actually make exclusive content for you. And I tag you in my viral posts. I've only got 2 subscribers, so hopefully I can benefit those of you. I engage with you, and the idea is to share my 36,000 followers? I can't remember now how many I've got on Twitter, but I tag you in my posts. So if you are a subscriber and you want to support me, but you also want to grow on TikTok, click the little star there and become a subscriber. Okay. Do I? No, I don't. I don't smoke anything at all. That's not my thing at all. Hi, Martin. Have you seen the results? NVIDIA poll. Looks like people want to see the earnings. Has it won the poll? May 24th? Has it won? Give me the result. Give me the result. I'm going to have a look. In fact, I won't look now. It'll take me a while to go down. Tell me what the result is and I will trust you. Anyway. Hello, my friend Mike Arnold. How are you? Good to see you. Right. So we've got 20 minutes to go. Today is our biggest ever giveaway. We are giving away $125 in cash this afternoon and 15 hours of one-on-one training. And I wish everybody the best of luck. You've still got chance if you've not entered all the opportunities to win. You've got until the closing bell this afternoon. So here is the best ever giveaway. Link martynlucas.com/giveaway. If you want to get information of upcoming giveaways and you want to get extra free entries in our draw, our newsletter comes out on Sunday. It's a brand new newsletter. Here is the newsletter, and then you'll get updated first, and you'll get extra tickets by having the newsletter as well. There is the weekly newsletter that comes out, martynlucas.com/links. Make sure that you get that. All right. We're up to now on Rumble, 86 followers, 14 to go. We're trying to get... Oh, hello. We've got a comment here from Iceman Guitars, and I mark it sold. Screw YouTube, he says. Look, I mark it sold. Ice Market Guitars. If Rumble is far right MAGA, does that mean YouTube is far less? There we go. We got a comment there to what Arnold said. That's a reply to what Arnold said earlier. I know nothing about that. I am just a professional streamer that enjoys building an audience online, having fun. We raise money for charity, raise over $1 million for charities on the channel. We give away money all the time. We have fun. We make money on the stock market. We do music in the evenings. And that is what this is all about. All right, let me give everybody on Rumble that link then for the giveaway tonight. What I do like with Rumble is you can post links. So if you want to share links to the show, you can do it that way. Now, because you're not a YouTube member, you're not verified, I won't use it in the news, but I could look at it. All right, just so you know. Okay, let's carry on with our stocks. The S&P. Let's go to our Roth IRA. We bought one last night simply to trade it. The S&P, Virgin Galactic, sorry. Mullen going lower, not buying any more. Gold. I nearly bought gold this morning. I tried to buy one share, but it didn't quite go through. I was a couple of cents out. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, trimming off the top. No surprise there. I'm not selling it, though. I'm holding Amazon forever. Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco. These are all my shares, all my live positions. Next Era Energy, Enphase. I might trim off the top there because I've got plenty of it on my main account. Bitcoin, Tilray. That's virtually barcoding. That's algo trading, precise algo trading in and out of the stock. That's not a good sign. We saw that on Virgin Galactic yesterday. Posted something about Tilray and Hexo, Flutter edits on Discord, on the links for YouTube. I honestly can't believe Rumble is public. Well, it is, Arnold. Get used to it. And it's on the stock market too. And we are buying Rumble. We are buying Rumble. We have in on our radar. This is Rumble, and I've started to buy it. I'm up 18%, waiting for a dip. Good morning, Martin, Joel. Good morning to you. So listen, as a creator, you might not like Rumble, but however, my job is to entertain. Educate, entertain, have fun, make money for others, support people. And however I can reach them, the better. And I don't know what the future holds. Nobody does. So you're growing your business, you're growing your email newsletter, you're growing your Twitter account, you're growing the reach across all those platforms. If you're in a position, it's very difficult to go live. I mean, I go live in about 20 different places. I engage in about 20 different mediums. My website, through the email, the Twitter, the LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Rumble, YouTube, the list got Facebook, groups, pages, whatever. It's important to grow your business everywhere. So you've got your future-proof your business. Anyway. Not sure what's wrong with Rumble. Great platform. I'll tell you another thing, Arnold, that's good with Rumble. Whenever someone super chats me, I think it's 90% I get rather than 30% on YouTube. That's another thing. Also, I get... there's another thing. Oh, yes, the ad revenue is higher too. Now, that doesn't mean to say I want you all to watch me on Rumble. I don't. YouTube is the search engine. The reason why YouTube is so powerful is it's a global search engine. It's Google, and you'll always be discovered and grow. And YouTube is your mainstream TV. It's the BBC. It's ITV. It's Sky News. This is what YouTube is. Rumble is a competitor. However, it's still important to embrace it. It's like Channel 5. That's the way to look at it. I have no hate for you using Rumble. I'm glad about that. I'm glad. It's great. Very, very beneficial to me. In fact, I will tell you another wonderful thing for anyone starting on social media. I have earned, through ad revenue alone on Rumble in 2 weeks, I will share. I'm not just going to tell you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Look at this. In 2 weeks, look, there is my income on Rumble. In 2 weeks. On YouTube, it takes 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers to start earning money. On day one, this is 2 weeks in, I've earned $11.48. Now, how I get paid is, if you see there, look, the total, $11.48. Isn't that phenomenal? And in when I reach $50, it will pay me out via PayPal. That's another revenue stream for me. That's an income. That's great. That is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Because some people just prefer to watch there. So I'm earning money there. It makes sense. And I'm reaching a new audience. It says that Tilray bought all common shares. Oh, yes, we know that. That was done on the last earnings call. Look at all the love coming in. Who's that then? Who's doing the hearts? Mike doing the hearts and someone doing confetti. I still can't watch my favorite controversial influencers. Top G, Steve, Will Do It, etc. When they get cancelled from YouTube, how us Rumble making money then? How is Rumble making money? It's not for me to question, is it? It's not my business. It's not my business. How Rumble make money, I have no idea. As an investor, however, as an investor, and that's why I am looking at buying Rumble, that's why I am going to attend and present the Rumble earnings. So I will learn what Rumble do and how Rumble make money. And I'll tell you something else. I'm a little bit connected now. Do you know how I'm connected? The CEO of Rumble is Chris Pavlovski. And Chris Pavlovski is the CEO of Rumble, messaged me the other day on Twitter. I am in a conversation. I have a connection with the CEO of Rumble, Chris Pavlovski. And yes, we are actually talking on Twitter. I was like, oh, hello. Hello, aren't you the CEO of Rumble? Yep. And you're talking to me. Brilliant. I thought, well, I am coming up in the world. All we need now is Elon Musk, and Richard Branson has seen my post. Never messaged me personally, but he's seen my post. Let's see if let's see if I can get Elon Musk on the show. Anyway, as we grow, we have more influence. We do more. We can help more people. I can't wait until I can give away $1,000 on my show. Today we're giving away 125. I can't wait to days when I can pick one of you and say, everyone on the channel subscribe to you, and get everyone to subscribe to you. I can't wait to be able to do more and more for people. Right. Let's go through our stocks right now. I need to go back to Rumble so I can observe. We're up to 87 now. 87. 13 to go. 13 to go on Rumble. Absolutely fantastic. 13 to go on Rumble. To get to 100 in 2 weeks. Virgin Galactic. Very nice indeed. We're holding our position in our Roth. We have just hit. We have just hit a new all-time high. We're turning very green again today. That is an all-time high, 54,700 a few moments ago. Go on. There it goes. All-time high. Fantastic. That's a really great day today. Brilliant. We love it. All-time high today on the show. That's an all-time high. Brilliant. Okay, let's go over. We've got some more comments coming in that I've not had a chance to read. Let's have a quick look at what we're doing today. We need to take some profits here now. We need to bank some profits. Let me read these comments. Eric says 100%, Martin. Saudi Arabia Prince. Chris Pavlovsky is the CEO, and he's my mate on Twitter. He's a subscriber, probably. Do you research? Do you do the research? Report back to me. Arnold, you're not even a member. I'm not going to report back to you. I'm not going to do research for you and then report back to you. Do you know how much? Do you know how valuable my time is? Do you know how valuable my time is? You're not even a member. I give my members who pay me $2 a month, hours and hours of my service for free. My time is very valuable to me, and I give it for free to my members. I'm not going to go and research to you for free, for nothing. When I would lose money on it anyway. You're not even become a member. Anyway, Martin, do you use OBS for recording videos? No, I don't use OBS. I use OBS in the background at Streamlabs, which is how I bring in some of the widgets. When you give me a crypto super chat, that uses OBS widgets. However, no, I don't find OBS professional enough for me. I use Ecamm Live, which is a premium service. I have to pay for it, but it's much, much better. OBS is free. It's free for a reason. I don't think it's as good. Well, I know it's not as good as Ecamm Live. Otherwise, I would use it. I will use whatever I feel is the best, no matter the cost. It's got to be the best to bring you the best quality. That's all I aim to do. Anyway, so I use Ecamm Live. And if anybody wants it, on my All Links page, you can get a discount for Restream and Ecamm Live by using my referral as well. Arnold is raising their hair on Martin's head. Yeah, he is. He is. OBS is trash. It's not trash. I mean, it's a very good service. It's free and it works very well. A lot of streamers make money and live on OBS, and it works for them. It's a solid system. It's just not as professional as Ecamm Live. But Ecamm Live costs money. You have to pay for it. If I give you the All Links page, you've all got it, martynlucas.com/links. It's running across the bottom of the screen, and it also is in the description. And if you look down, I'll show you. This is what you get. We got 5 minutes before the bell goes. We can get serious in a minute. Okay, if you scroll down here, right to the bottom, see all the money? Things you can make money on. I give you money. Oh, yeah. You get discount for Ecamm Live. You get discount for Restream. You get free stocks from Robinhood. You get free stocks from Crypto.com. Free money from $25. Coinbase, Webull, all those things. All right. Right. Okay, here we go. Google. Microsoft. 5 minutes to go. Here we go. Who's sponsoring the bell this morning? Who is sponsoring the Martyn Lucas Investor Stock Exchange bell this morning? Are you sponsoring it? We're giving away $125 in cash. Shall we have a look and see if anyone has done the draw this morning? There are tickets every day, and there were 50 tickets given last night to watch this video all the way through. Like and leave the correct comment. Let's go. 3,303 tickets. 42 people have entered. That's all it is. 3303 3671. Fantastic. More people. Now, it's very important to tell you, the system I use is automated and AI and very intelligent. I'm going to tell you right now, there are a number of people who have seen the comment and then thought, right, I can comment 50 times. I can do this. They've not watched the video. They've not liked the video. And most importantly, they haven't gone through the competition page, so it won't count. There are people who have gone through the competition page and created 20 email addresses. My system knows it's from the same IP address. It knows the same name. They know who you are, and they exclude you. So you can't scam it. You can't cheat. And I think it's funny when people try to, because they go to a lot of trouble making lots of emails and commenting and creating all these accounts. And I just sit here every evening and laugh. And when I look at the reports on how many thousands get thrown in the bin every morning, every night, because he does it every night, I look at it and go, oh my God, how much time did you spend on doing that? If you only just watched it properly, you've got a 1 in 42 chance of winning because there's only 42 people in. And if you did all the things properly, take you 5 minutes, and you'll probably have a, I don't know, maybe a 30% chance of winning, because only a handful of people have done all the things. So why not just do it properly? No, I don't want that. I want you to give me free money, and I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to spend hours and hours and hours trying to cheat. I mean, what is the point? Some people just don't get it. We've had a super chat. We got 2 minutes to go. We've got to celebrate. We've got a super chat here on YouTube, and we want to celebrate. Thank you very much indeed. This is Stephen Lewandowski, has just given me all the way from Hawaii. He should, by the way. He should, because he's on holiday, spending loads of money, so he should give us a great big super chat. There we go, Stephen Lewandowski. Thank you so much indeed. I love it. Thank you very much. Thanks, mate, for the super chat. Really do appreciate it. It's a great super chat. Very, very nice indeed. Can't thank you enough for that. Can't thank you enough for that. All right. Nice one, Stephen. Yes, well, Stephen, thank you. Let's go. Right, 1:38. 1 minute to go. Who is sponsoring the bell this morning? We are very, very green right now. We are very, very green right now. We've got 1 minute to go, and we're getting ready. Who is going to sponsor the bell? Do I get to ring the bell? Well, not today you don't. Not now you don't. Here we go. Breaking all-time highs. Who is ringing the bell today? At the close? I have to have a word with my sponsor first. I have to have a word with Sensei. That's for Sensei to decide, right? It's not for me to decide. Sensei pays for the privilege of sponsoring it. I'm sure he will donate that to you. I'm sure he will. Yes, I'm sure he will. All right then. Okay. The closing bell show, when we give away all the money. Here we go. Sensei has donated it to... I knew he would. There was no doubt in my mind that he would. In 5... Oops, let me clear the timer. Or am I going to make it on time? Yes, I am. 3, 2, 1. Sponsored by Sensei this morning. It's the morning bell. Welcome, Sensei Crypto sponsored our channel. This is the Martyn Lucas Investor Stock Exchange. You too can sponsor this. You send in your stickers and they go on here, and you too. And your links are below in the description of the video. And we promote your business. And as we grow, you will grow with us. And this afternoon, our bell is going to be sponsored by Ed Nevius. I just don't have a sticker for Ed Nevius. I wonder what I can work out. Ed Nevius. I need something. Ed Nevius, I don't know. I'll work something out. I'll do something. Right, let's go. Look at this now. Look at this. We are really, really on fire, and we need to take profits right now. We absolutely need to. We're up. We're going to up 20% overall when the war ends. That can happen at any point, by the way. Right, we are up today. We're just getting a bit of a sell-off. There's no surprise. All-time high, 54.7. Now, let's have a look at what is moving. We need to take some profits here. First of all, the S&P 500. We bought an extra share in the Roth. This was purely to trade it. Purely to trade it. It's up 0.19. We want to trade. Oh my gosh, it's my portfolio is really going straight up. Virgin Galactic, we're not trading this. This is our long-term position. Rumble is going down 18%, still too high. Mullen is going down. We're not buying anymore. Gold is surging today. I tried to buy some this morning, and it wouldn't let me in, so I've let it go. Virgin Orbit, don't chase the stock. Rivian, it's going down. We want to buy back in with Rivian on my Roth. I've got $490 left to spend because I've got gold on a buy. At the moment, if it drops, it will buy it. Tesla surging now, 175. We're going to sell 1 or 2 shares of Tesla at 189. It would be sensible to do so. I'm up now at 1.78. We want to trim off and lower the average just so we can buy it back lower. Apple is just taking over the world now. One of the biggest company, biggest company in the world right now. Amazon, 0.08, doing well again today, going green again. McDonald's, land is getting more and more expensive. It's not about the burger business. Never was, never has been. Have you seen The Founder, the film? You'll learn all about it. Good afternoon, says Crag. Thank you. Up 2.8, says Deep in the Money. Yes, Sensei Crypto says he can sponsor the bell this afternoon. How do you ring the bell remotely? You can. If you want to sponsor the bell, we can talk about it. We can talk about a sponsorship, sponsor the bell. I have to have a conversation with Ali, of course, because he sponsors it at the moment. So I need to talk to him first. It's okay. Maybe a super chat could sponsor the bell. I could have a sticker made up for you, whatever. But it'd need to be planned ahead of time. It's okay. No sticker, just for compilation. For compilation. I see. Just for compilation. No sticker. Don't you worry. I'll do something. J&J is taking a bit of a drop. My Roth IRA plus 3.6 coming back though. Google surging. Google is absolutely surging. I'm up 31% and it is flying right now. Let's remind ourselves how down Google is. But don't buy it now. You should already be in. I'm not buying it now. That would be a big mistake. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. We've got solar now returning. Finally, where it should be, going up. And Enphase Energy. This is a big part of my portfolio. This is 8% of my Roth IRA. This is phenomenal. We knew this was going to happen. Look, the reason why I bought and doubled up, look, that was an overreaction to its earnings. I cannot believe people did that. But I love when they do. Buy when everyone else is selling. If the fundamentals are solid. Enphase, how could you write off Enphase? And now we're up 3.89. Very, very nice indeed. That's what's soaring my portfolio right now. We're at 54,846. I can't actually believe it's going up this quickly. I can really. It's what we planned for. A year and a half of planning in the process. Tilray Brands, up to date, 2.67. Last night, the same thing happened. We had an oversell. We had an oversell on the earnings. It was last week. The earnings, it's oversold, in my opinion. So I doubled up on it and then tripled up on it. I really wasn't going to do it, but I decided what the hell I would. And the reason why I did, it's not because I'm extra bullish on Tilray. I'm not. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not. But what I want to do is lower my average and trim it back. Now, we can get up now 1 or 2%. I don't really care. Another couple of percent, I will sell some Tilray, put some money in the bank and take some money on the profits. Remember, I'm paying no tax because it's on my Roth IRA. So why not? Why not do it? It makes every bit of sense to me to do that. Robinhood is now... Oh, yes. Robinhood has given me a gift. That's where I want it. Quick. That's where I want it. Okay. This is where I wanted to buy it back in again. Buy. limit order. 933. 936. Continue. Market hours. Continue. 490. Today. 10. 50. 30. Oops. 40. Yes, 935. Brilliant. That's where I wanted it. And I've left a bit of money in case it goes a bit lower. 935. That's where I wanted it. I don't mind paying that for it. That's what I want to blah, blah, blah. That's what I want to pay for it. Okay? And there we go. Good. Now then, let's see if we can add to that. If it goes lower, I'll buy some more. I don't need to sell it today because I'm not using a day trade on it. That's where I wanted it. I made $300 from Robinhood last week on Wednesday on the earnings. I took $300 from it. I then used that money to buy the Roth to buy my VU, which I did. How do you do? And we're waiting for it to go up 0.5% more, and then I will sell that one Roth IRA. I will sell that one S&P, VU, and then I'll have so I've made $300 from Robinhood. I used it to buy the S&P. The S&P then makes me another percent. I need about 0.5% to go. I will then sell that, and then I'll have some money to buy back some more of Robinhood, and we'll acquire it again. I liked it. I like it, and I want to be in when they go into the UK, which will be this year. Well, we're May now, so we're nearly halfway through the year. So Robinhood is going up as well. I just want to get some money out of the S&P. It's on a wash right now. I've made 51 cents. It's not worth it. I want to make $5 on it. And then I can trade half of it. I will sell half of it. And then just buy it back, and it goes lower with the profit I get from Robinhood. It's always 4 or 5 moves ahead, right? Let's read the comments. I like MTDR buying at 40 to 42. Nice one, Stephen. It's okay. No sticker, says Ed. I got some Hood also. Very, very good. Nice one, Eric. Right, we're going up again. The overall portfolio is up 0.46. Oh, and it's going up again, 0.49. It's moving again. So if the S&P starts to go, I will take some off the top, right? Virgin Galactic up 3.45. Up 10%. Hang on, wrong. That's my Roth. This is what we're interested in, the brokerage account. Up 3.4. Right, we're making money now with Virgin Galactic. We're not selling this. We're not selling any of this at all. Okay. Rumble going up. Mullen. Oh my gosh. I'm not buying any more of Mullen. Not buying any more of Mullen. It's got to return money before I buy any more. Virgin. Rivian. 1380. 1380 loses money. Why would you buy it? Trade it. Tesla. 176. Lucid. 149. Apple. Amazon. Robinhood's going up. We're making money on Hood again. I'm not trading it today, though. Not doing a day trade. I've used my day trades. Remember, I can day trade as much as I want, but I choose not to. I turn on my day trade protection because I want to earn money on uninvested cash and also on stock lending. So I don't get pattern day traded. It doesn't matter if you do. It's not a penalty. It's not a bad thing. But I do want to... make sure I keep all those options to me. There we go. Now we're doing it. Now we can swing trade Tizro. Tizro. I'm up now. I've got Tizro on my brokerage account, the amount I need. It's 1.63. All right. I am now down 9%, but it's growing, okay? What I want to do is sell my Roth position. I bought it last night with the very purpose of selling it. I don't care if it goes to $40 without me. I really, really don't care. What I could do now is set a stop trail loss. Rather than just sell it now, set a stop trail loss. So we're up 2%. I've made $21. I want to sell half of it. So my average is now 250, down from, I think it was 280 yesterday. Maybe more than that, actually. It was 280. It was like, I don't know, maybe it was more than that because I doubled up. Maybe it was more than that. I don't know. Anyway, I lowered my average. Let me go back in my history and make sure that I'm selling enough, because if you remember the FIFO rule, I've got 400, so the last 400 shares. So 200, right, 260. Okay, we want to go through 260 before we start selling. Get to 260 and then we'll set a stop trail loss and we'll start selling. We'll take some profits off the table. Kurd Nerd, I love you, sir. Thank you so much. And I love you all. We'll try to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. That means the world to me. Look at all the links across the bottom. If you want to know what we're doing. If you want to follow me on social media, on Twitter. We're trying to get to 100 followers on Rumble today by the end of the day, to do it in 2 weeks. We are now up to 87 followers. We got 13 to go on Rumble. It helps grow the YouTube channel. Here is my Rumble channel there. Follow me on Rumble. We got 13 to go. We got our biggest ever giveaway today as well. Right, 260 plus, and then we're going to sell some Tizro. Robinhood, we just bought it at the bottom. It's going back up again. We're making money on Robinhood. We've just made $3 in seconds. We're not selling it here, though. We're not selling it here. It's a $40 stock in 5 years. I'm accumulating, making profits along the way. That's what we're doing. Right, SoFi. IonQ. IonQ is going up since we bought it. It was down. This is last night's numbers. I'm now up 6.72, which is very good indeed. Excellent stuff. 6.72. Right. Okay. Now, we're going to do something. We're going to do something now for Leah, my wife. Over the last year and a half, nearly 2 years, I have been building my new business. I knew how to build One Night in Vegas years ago. I'm now building a new business on YouTube. It takes a lot of sacrifice to build a business. My wife has supported me. And of course, I've sat here, not been able to contribute to the household bills here. I pay my own bills to run the business. I pay my bills in the UK, but I've not been able to contribute towards the household bills because I've been working, building up the business, and my wife has had to support me and support both of us for all that time while I've been building the YouTube channel. Okay, and we was just about turning profit, and then of course my computer broke, which forced me to reinvest my profit. So what I'm going to do, the next 5 minutes of super chats that I get, if I get any, are going to Leah for this week's food bill, because Leah has paid the food bill for me for the last year and a half. The last year and a half, Leah has bought all the food for me to eat because she's supporting me while I'm building my business. And I love her, and I really appreciate it. It's a hard time when you start a business that you have to live on bread and water. That's how it is. And my wife has been supporting me. I've not been eating bread and water though. My wife has been supporting me so I could do it. So I want to be able to give something back to my wife today. So for the next 5 minutes of super chats, if I get any, are all going to Leah for the food bill. All right. So there you go, and I will take it out of the YouTube account, and I will give it to Leah to buy some food because she supported me. We're 2 years and a week away next week, and I've been basically earning about $5, about $6 a day now. It's going up with the members and the super chats and so on. And it was just turning profitable, paying my internet, my phone bill, whatever, to cover the running costs of the studio. And then my computer broke, which was $4,000, which I did over a year, over a year's finance to pay for that. But anyway, Leah's in the kitchen. She's just brought my coffee in, and she's really struggling because the food is going up and up and up, and I've not been able to contribute because I've made no money from this show yet. So anyway, what I get in the next couple of minutes on Super Chats will go to Leah, and she will be quite emotional, I'd imagine, when she sees that. We've just got a $4.99 Super Chat from Stephen Lewandowski, and we've got, what else did we get? We got a $2 Super Chat. There we go. That's $7. I'm going to give to Leah at the end of the show. I'm not going to deduct the 30%. Just going to give her whatever I get. And that's it. All right. Thanks to Leah, I'm here. Because quite honestly, if it wasn't for Leah supporting me, I'd still be here, but I'd be in England doing it, and I wouldn't be very healthy. I would be literally eating water and bread. So I might not look as healthy and have as much energy as I have. I would still build the business and I would still grow, but I would do it probably a lot more hungry and a lot more unhealthily, which probably means I wouldn't be doing it anyway, right? Anyway, let's have a look at taking some profits. Rio Tinto, Ford, IonQ. So far, we're not selling IonQ unless it surged today and I would take some profit. Robinhood, we just bought some more. We're going to buy some more if it goes down. Tilray didn't quite do it. It didn't quite do it. I wanted it to go to 260. You've got to have patience. We'll have a second run of it today, I'm sure. Enphase, I'm not selling this. Next Era Energy. Thank you, Eric. I will do a celebration for the super chats at the end of the video. Anyway, Walmart, Microsoft, Google, J&J, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Amazon. It's giving back. It's bound to happen. People taking profits. Why wouldn't they? I'm not. Apple, not at this stage. Lucid, Tesla, Rivian. It's the S&P I'm looking at. No, it's all giving it up. It's giving it all up at the moment. There's no point. We're still at an all-time high. We're 54. Look, I'll show you. We're still at a good position, but this is a new all-time high today, 54,786. Very nice indeed. Yeah, we've just given up a bit of the profits we've gained. We're still green though. We've got 0.23, but I'm not doing anything now. Not selling or buying. Just checking my notifications that they've all gone through. Yeah. The Roth is still looking strong though. We're still here we go. Here's the second little bounce. Here it comes. Here's the second little bounce, and the second bounce could be stronger than the first, because we took profits and now people want to try it again. So I don't like doing that. Tilray, here we go. If we get over 260, we're going to sell some. All right, we're going to sell some. I don't care how good you think the stock's going to be in the future. Doesn't matter. Midnight Oil, IonQ. Yes, we covered IonQ last night. Did you see the earnings for it? Let me give you the link to the IonQ earnings last night at Midnight Oil. I put out a special video. Here it is on my channel. See it here? IonQ earnings. Oops, hang on a minute. You can't see that. There's the IonQ earnings. Let me give you the link for it. There you go. I'll let that run in the background now, and I'll give you the link. Here is the IonQ Quantum Computers earnings. If you've not seen it, that's for you on YouTube, and that's for you guys here on Rumble as well. Okay, back to the main trading position. I strongly recommend you watch that. You'll learn all about quantum computers and what it really means for the future. The rates and everything else. It's very, very interesting. Anyway. All right, we got 1 minute left. What we're doing, I just told you about Leah. A little gift for Leah today. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brilliant. I will give. We've got 1 minute to go, and that's what I will give Leah at the end today. Get a little bit of shopping on that. Virgin Galactic. Joel, Mr. Lucas, are you limited to the 5-year period for the Roth account before you can take profits? I'm taking profits all the time by selling the assets and buying something else tax-free. You're talking about withdrawing the money out. What would be the point? What would be the point? But you are absolutely correct. If I took the money out before 5 years, I would give back the match, which was $70 last year and $75 this year. I would give back the match they gave me, so I'd give back $145. Why would I do that? Also, I'd pay taxes and penalties on all this trading, because then I've used it as a main brokerage account. The point with the Roth IRA is it's money I don't need. So this is my main account. I buy shares here. I earn 4.65 on my uninvested cash sitting right there. So I'm making money all the time. I'm using it as a bank. This is my money I live on. That's my money in the bank, 2763. That's the money I've got in the bank, right? I'm not spending that. That's earning 4.65. These are my shares I'm holding for 10, 20 years. My Roth IRA position, which is this, I put in the maximum you can. Last year, in 2022, Robinhood released the program. I maxed it out within a month. I got my $7,000 in. They gave me $70. 2023, January the 1st, I did it by I think April. I maxed it out, 7,500. They gave me $75. Now what I do is I trade that for free. In and out, buying and selling, because I've got no more money coming in. This money doesn't earn me any money on uninvested cash. Doesn't earn me any interest. The only money I make is whether the stocks go up or down. So I'm trading them and I'm leaving it there. So my total pension for the future is this. I have nothing else. It's just this. I have $14,217. That's it. Now, because I can't put any more money in until January the 1st, 24, I'm buying and selling in between to try and make money. If I withdraw within 5 years, yes, I will pay a tax penalty. So I, put that money away. This is my money to spend. This is my money to live on. So I don't touch my Roth IRA. I just trade it. I hope that answers your question. I don't normally go into that much detail for a non-member, but I wanted to do that for you because it benefits everybody enormously, that. So anyway, there you go. Oh, what a lovely thing. Ed Nevius just said, NetSuite will cash out for you, Leah. Oh, what? Unbelievable. Right, the time is up now. We got $9. I'm going to round it up to 10. I'm not going to take out the money on YouTube money, and I'm going to give Leah $10 this morning. Thank you so much indeed. Wonderful. What a wonderful thing. Thoughts on Virgin Galactic? Let me cover Virgin Galactic for you now. Tilray Brands, we are very close to trimming. Not quite there. It doesn't matter if it goes down. I'm going to have a bit of patience. Thoughts on Virgin Galactic. We'll do that in a second. I have to focus on the members, Oliver. I just answered you. Oh, no, that was Joel. It was Joel who was asking about the Roth. I apologize. That's what I figured. I just wanted to check. I plan on doing the same. Thanks for the explanation. You're absolutely right. But I can't give tax advice because, one, I'm not allowed to, and two, everyone's tax situation is different. Your age, your country, how much money you've got, how much money you owe, blah, 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 and all the rest of it. So everyone's tax situation is different. That's how it is for me. That's the general rule of thumb. We're up to 88 followers now on Rumble. We have just 12 followers to go to get to 100. Our target was 100 within 2 weeks, which is by the end of the day. Here's my 2 Rumble accounts. If you've set up an account on Rumble, you might as well follow my music one as well. There it is. I'm going to give everybody on Rumble as well, because I don't know if you know, but I've got the music one as well. There is my music one, and there is my what do you call it? Investor one as well. Let me give you the music one because as separate, I just realized it doesn't give you the link if you put 2 links in. All right, okay. There you go. There's the music one. So everybody over there, if you want to hear my music channel as well, you can. Robinhood IRA is great for trading. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. I love it. I mean, what's there not to love, right? Right. It's giving up again. Now, someone asked, I think Oliver, what do I think of Virgin Galactic? Virgin Galactic, it's extremely risky. It shouldn't be a big part of your portfolio, even though I'm very bullish on it. You've got to realize it can go bust. People don't seem to understand it can go bust. It can run out of money, and it will run out of money if the flights don't get successful. However, the people that buy it at the moment, most institutions and big people aren't buying Virgin Galactic. The big money's not in yet. It's mainly retail investors who don't understand what it is. They think it's about rocket ships when it's not. It's about the experiences at the hotels. That's what Richard Branson's all about. It's also, when they see it go down, they dump it and I buy more. So I hold my long-term position, which used to be 3,000 shares, and it might go up there again, actually, if I continue making money from other things. It might go there again. But right now, I hold my long-term position here, and my Roth, I buy in and out and trade and make 5% every day or so I can. I sold it a couple of days ago. I made my profits. I've done that in and out every day. So ultimately, the plan is to own all the shares for free. So I don't care what it does. But it is risky, and the trouble is most people don't understand it. The earnings report was exactly as expected. However, people dumped it. When the earnings report came out, they dumped it. This was it here. This is when they dumped it. This was the earning. Oh, hang on, where was it? Hang on a minute. When was the earnings? It was May 10th, wasn't it? Was it May 10th? I can't remember now. Anyway, it was dumped, and I just picked it up again because it was as expected, and people went, "Oh, they're losing money." Well, of course they're losing money. They're spending money on rocket ships. Until they fly, they're going to keep losing money. What the earnings reports are, is not tell us if they're losing money or not. Tell us what they're doing in the future and what their plans are and how many tickets they've sold. Thanks for all of you that are tapping the likes, by the way. I can see all the love and the likes and the smiley faces. That helps to promote our YouTube channel. So thank you very much for doing that. Anyway. Rumble. Mullen. Gold. Trying to buy it. I've got a buy order in. Rivian. Rivian now. This is what happened on the earnings. It popped up. Their earnings was good, but they're still losing money, and now it gave it all up. I had it here and I sold it here, and I'm buying it back here again. It's kind of obvious, isn't it? I don't understand. I don't understand why people are so surprised. Rivian lose money on every car. Not as bad as Lucid. They lose 500,000. when they sell a car. They do not do very well at all. They're going private. Anyone who thinks that Lucid's going to make money for the shareholders is wrong. In my opinion, I think they're going to go private. They're like a Ferrari or they're a very Bugatti Veyron or whatever. They are all about the technology of the car, and they are a private company. Aston Martin, any of these things, they can't be a profitable company. They'll just produce the best car in the world, and you know, there's like a concept. That's how that will be, and there's a market for that. It's just not for me as an investor. I wouldn't buy gold or silver to save my life. It's too busy being controlled by outside forces. That's your opinion. I accept that, but I think it's a. I've done my research and I'm doing more and more every day. I think it has a good place in my portfolio. It's not that far off now. 3 months. 12. Going to buy Rivian back soon. It's a company that loses money, but I like where it's going in the future. And estimated 159, 125. See, they lost money. They lost less money. It's going the right direction. Rivian is a buy for me at any point here. My average is 13.18. I'm going to buy it again here. They are very expensive to purchase. Yeah. Here we go. So when did I sold it for 14.22. $13, yeah, 14.22. Right, let's go over and buy Rivian, and in a minute we'll have some more we'll be able to buy some more. So trade, buy, limit order, and we're looking at. 13, this is what I'm doing, 13.30, continue, today, I'm going to buy, I've got 116, so what, 10, just going to buy a few, 119, 8, right. 8. We're just watching it drop. This is the time to get back in again. Let me go over to the stock. I've just got to swipe it up when I'm ready. Okay. Okay, 13.27. I'm ready to buy it. Keep watching it. Keep watching it. I'm only buying a handful. I'm only buying 8, and then I'm going to buy more when it goes lower. I've got my finger on the swipe button. I'm literally watching it, and the first time I see it start to edge up, I'll swipe. This is what I'm actually looking at. My finger's on the button. All right? I don't mind buying it here, and it will go back to $14 again. The earnings report was an improvement. They're still losing money, but they will do. But they are improving. 13.23, we're just going to watch it. 13.24. It doesn't really matter at this stage. I'm not buying that much. When we can sell some Tizro in a minute and some the S&P, I will come back and I will buy. I will add, and I don't mind if I don't get any more. It doesn't really matter. 23. Are we going to go any lower? 21. We're still edging down. Let's keep our eye on it just for a few more seconds. 19. It's had no resistance yet or no support yet. 20. Shall we look at the chart? It's, as you can see, in the oversold territory right now. You could see that. There you go. It's been slightly lower and it bounced back. 13.21. There you go. I bought at 13.23. It just went through. See that look? That's done. Just a small amount I've added back. So I took profits from it the other day. I made about $100, I think, something like that. I can't remember the exact number now, but I did well from it. And now I'm buying it back, and I bought it at 13.23. It's going up. The moment I buy it, look, it goes up. It's like magic. So there you go. It felt right. And now that's just an entry point. We want to take profits from the S&P if we can. We're going to buy more if it goes considerably lower. But other than that, we're looking at Tizro today. If Tizro can hit 260, I'm going to sell half of my position on Tizro. All right, lower my averages and taking profits. So we don't need to worry about anything for the minute. We're not buying anything else because we've spent all our money, but we are going to get some quick trades today, I would imagine. We're at all-time highs. Well, our all-time high was set this morning at 54.7. We're $50 off that. And as soon as Tizro Brands goes up, which it's starting to move again, at the 260 level, I will start to trim off. S&P, Virgin Galactic, Rum, Mullen, Gold. I've got a buy order for gold. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take that buy order off for gold. I'm going to take it off now. I was going to buy it this morning, but it didn't go low enough for me to add. I'm still just starting on my gold journey. I'm going to give it some more time. You can see now I've just added $200 to my Roth. 197 to spend because I've removed that order. So I'm not buying it now. Okay. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Now we can go back to Rivian. If we get Rivian under 13, we will we'll buy some more. We've only got 9 now. So when it goes below 13, we'll come back and have a little look. So I will leave my notification here on Rivian, and we will keep our eye out for it. Mullen's still going down. Lucid, forget it. Coinbase. Rivian, okay. We're keeping our eye on Rivian on my separate device so I can keep my eye on it. Tesla, giving up some of the gains, not selling it. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. Right, I've got to end my show. I've got lots of stuff to do to prepare for our competition tonight. So, let's bring everything up to date. First of all, let me just give everyone this link here. If you are in the US and you want and you enjoy what I do on Robinhood, if you use my link here, you get free stocks up to $200 worth of Apple shares. And people have won. One person actually did win an Apple share live on my show. There's my referral with Robinhood. Set it up and you can get free stocks, and so do I, and I will share with you what I get. Also, if you want to follow me on Rumble and see if I can get to 100 followers by the end of the day, notice in that little link there's my music one as well. Do that on the music one as well. It really, really helps. And also, what else can I give you? It's our best ever giveaway tonight. $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training being given away. Only 42 people entered, so it's a very good chance to win. The more actions you do, the more chances you have of winning. This is the competition page. Let me share with you on the screen. There are 3671 tickets given away. All right, over 42 people. Let's refresh it. 3671, 3695. There you go. We're giving 50 tickets away from this one here, this video. You have to watch it all the way through. It's a couple of minutes, like it and whatever. But you can win with one ticket. You can win just by retweeting a post. You get 5 tickets. The more you do, the more, and if you turn all of these into ticks, then essentially you can have more of a chance to win. And we'll give away the prize live in the show tonight. What else have I got to give you? Oh, yes. On Sunday is our brand new newsletter coming out. Here is the sign up for it. It's martynlucas.com/links. If you go to that page, you'll see this. This is where all the links for all my free stocks and all my social media is. The martynlucas.com/links. If you go into here, put your email in, all you got to do is put your email in, no information at all. It's a secure server. I never use your email, never sell, or wouldn't even know how to. I just send you an email personally, hand-delivered, I call it, every single Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. YouTube, 2 p.m. GMT. If you don't receive it, it's because you never verified your email. So when you click in the email box there, it will send you an email. Search in your junk folder because it's probably going to go in there because it's a newsletter. Verify it. Once you've verified it, you will then receive the email on Sunday. So if you don't receive it at those times on Sunday, it's because either it's in your junk folder or you didn't verify it. It's a brand new email coming out this Sunday. So I'm excited to see what you think about it. Joelle says, following you on Rumble and YouTube simultaneously. Well, that really, really helps. When people do that, it really, really grows the channel, because as we get bigger, like on YouTube, the more people watch you, the more it suggests and shares. Same on Rumble, because rumble.com, if they like my content, can put me on the homepage. And they do that once people start watching. So you might find rumble.com, I could appear on the homepage. How very, very cool would that be? All right, that's Rumble right now. Let's have a look. 88 followers. Yep, 88 followers, 8 likes, 12 away from our record. Right, I've got to go. Rivian is still falling. So I'm going to have another look at Rivian. Let me go through, first of all, Robinhood. I just bought some this morning. At 9.34, it's 9.35 now. I'm making money. I'd like to get up to $1,000. I like it at $1,000 or Rivian. Rivian, I want these two accounts to grow together. Rivian is now at 13.15. It's going down. If it goes below 13, I'll buy some more. And then we'll be able to swing trade it on Monday. That is the plan. All right. Okay, it's time to wrap up the show. So you've got chance now to go and use the giveaway. Check out all the opportunities. There's new ones released today. There will be no more videos on Rumble. So there won't be any more videos. Sorry, there won't be any more videos that you can win tickets for today. That's it. I'm not doing any more. But there will be some tweets. You might see some tweets pop up today. And I will put some tweets in where you can retweet certain things. So you might want to look out for that. All right, I'll be doing that after this stream, so get ready for that. Okay, I think that's it. We're just turning red a little bit. Rivian's down now 5%. It's in free fall at the moment. We bought a few, not a lot. We're going to roll the credits now, I think. We'll roll the credits. IonQ, yeah, doing well. Not going to add any more. Happy with that. Not going to trim either. Tilray, can't sell it yet. It came very close, but it wasn't really where I wanted it, so I didn't sell it. Robinhood is going down. I've got an average now of 934. It's 930. I'd like to get more at this level. But I want to trim off Tilray first and VU first. So I can always sell this one here now, or half of it if I wanted to, and buy Hood if it goes low enough. I could do that. It's a source of funds for me right now. What did Eric just say? Did I miss something from Eric? Tesla looks like it's ready to fall. I sold for a profit. Did you? Not for me. Not till it hits 189. Rivian, 13.15. This is very attractive now. Over the week, over the month. $12. Startups, buy, hold. They improved. I mean, they're constantly improving. 13.10. Yeah, I'm going to buy 13.22. I'm going to buy a few more now. Buy. Limit order. 13.10. Continue. Market. Continue. Today. Number of shares. Nine. 10. $13.10. $13.10. I'm going to buy 13 shares at $13.10. 13 shares at $13.10. This is what I'm doing. $13 shares at $13.10. Still falling. I'm buying it there. I'm buying it there because it went through at 13.06. So there you go. My average is now 13.13. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. 13.06. I'm happy with that. It's had a good drop today, 6%. down on the week after the earnings, and they beat on earnings. So I think it's an overreaction. Overreaction. I know they lose money on cars, but they're improving all the time. The outlook is getting better. I like it. I think Rivian will beat Tesla, and I like that the backing of Amazon as well. So yep, I just bought some more. It's still small. As soon as I get that S&P sold, or if I can get Hood sold, sorry, not Hood sold, Tilray, I'll buy it more. Now it's at 13.3, so I'm slowly building up. If we get it to under 13, I'll be getting very attractive, and that's when it will bounce. Tilray, so that has to go to 260, and then I got $500 there. And my VU, it's on a wash. I'm down 48 cents. I can also sell that. So we got 3 steps are gonna happen now. If Rivian goes up from now, brilliant. If it goes up 5% today, gets it back, I'll sell and take a 5% profit. Okay, but it won't be done today. It'll be done on Monday because I've got no more day trades I want to use. I can do it as much as I want, but I don't want to. I'll swing it on Monday. If Rivian continues to go down, if Rivian hits 12 or something ridiculous, I will sell my S&P for a wash. I'm down 44 cents. It's nothing, is it? I can sell it for a wash. It's purely there to trade. My main account has my main Roth, has my 40% of the S&P. This is just a trade. If I can make a profit from it, $1, whatever, it doesn't matter. If Rivian goes down by more than S&P is going up profit-wise, I'll just sell that for a wash and buy Rivian. And at that point, I'll have $400 to spend, which is basically more, is double what I've got now. So I can double my position to $600. And at this point, I'm down 1%. So it will literally take me down to 0.5% down at an average of $13, which is great. That primes me for my next out trade. So that's exactly what I will do if that happens. Now, if that happens, or alongside that, Tilray gets to 260, which it was a few cents away from, I will sell another 500 shares, $500 worth of Tilray, half my position. Remember, I've still got my brokerage position anyway. This is just my trading position. I will take half of that. Again, no profit, no tax profit gains. I will make a profit, and I will buy some Rivian as well. Now, along while all that's going on, I'm also watching Hood because I want to build my Hood position, because now Hood is getting cheaper and cheaper. This is where I bought it and sold it as a profit before, and I want to do it again. Their earnings was good. The earnings was improved, and the outlook was good. They were expected to lose 61 cents. They lost 57. They beat on earnings. It was good for the future. Things are looking good. It may have already hit bottom. Volume coming in on Rivian. Yeah, well, if it has, it's fine. I'll take a profit on that. Remember, it's not how much money you got, it's the percentage. If you make 5% on $1, 5% on $1 million, it doesn't matter. It's all about percentages. This show is to support people who are wealthy and people who have no money. 5% is 5%. However it comes, it doesn't matter. You don't need greed. You don't need to time the market. You don't need to beat anybody. If you make 5% consistently over and over again, then you're making money, right? If I had enough time off work, I would love to sit around for a couple of months playing around with trades. Great fun. It is, Rich. We've made a lot of money here. My portfolio started with $5,000 2 years ago next month. Live on this show, the only income I've got now is YouTube. And for the first year, I earned nothing. I now earn about $5-6 a day on YouTube, and that's all I have to invest. And my portfolio has got 40,000 in the main account and 14,000 in my Roth. And overall, I'm worth 54,523. Not paying any tax, no capital gains, nothing like that. Just growing my portfolio, earning money on stock lending, earning money on uninvested cash, as you can see there, 4.65. I love it. But I am in a very privileged position because I'm building a YouTube channel off it. I'm building a family off it. And so I am extremely privileged to have this family that follow me every day. Up to 10 hours a day we're live. You know what the average watch time of my members is? 4 hours. 4 hours. The highest of any channel in the world. Mr. Beast would love numbers like that. 9% of his viewers are members. 95% of mine are members. It's the highest engagement rate in the world. We're very small, but we're growing very quickly because we have a very strong family. Right, that's it. Fantastic. That's it. I've got to go. We've got the big giveaway coming up for you today. So, Rivian back to 13.14. Yeah, good. I added a little bit. I will look for a swing trade come Monday. Doesn't matter when, really, at 5%. Or I may hold that. That's my position now. It's going back up, isn't it? Looks like you're having the time of your life. I'm having a great time. I'm having a great time. I have the music in the evening. It's Friday night, folks. Oh, hang on. How many people are watching? It's Friday night. It's music night. Poll time. Poll time. Every Friday, if we get a majority poll, we do a concert. We have a beer and a concert. Who is up for party tonight? Okay. If we get a majority, we do it. It's Friday night. It's music night. Yes or no? I forgot about that. There we go. There's the poll. Ask the community. You can swing trade. I work also. I bought Robinhood today to sell Monday and profit. Rich, you don't actually have to sit and watch all the time. What you can do is set limit orders. So you set a limit order. You don't know when the markets are going to go up or down. Nobody else does. So what you do is this. Very, very simple. What I do, what I do from time to time, I mean, I'm live all the time, so it's different. But what some people do is you set a limit order to buy $100 of a stock, whether it's $100 of a stock or 100 shares, it's up to you, at a certain price. And you set it for an all-time low, a ridiculously low price, a price you are happy to pay for it. All right? And then you forget it. And one day you wake up and you go, oh my God, I just bought Tesla for $1. Brilliant. Now you own it. Then what I do is I go, right, I would like to take 10% profit on that. I will sell half of my position, so I keep some for future gains or whatever. And I go, right, I'm going to sell $10 worth of it or 10 shares of it at $10 a share. And you set a limit order and you forget about it. And one day you go, oh my God, look, it's sold. So you could do that without watching all the time. Sit on the beach, have a nice life. That's how you do it if you don't want to watch it. Or when you come into a live show like this and you see a stock doing well, let me have a look. Nothing is doing well right now. Everything's selling off. Let me look at some. Is anything going up? Yes, Google. Oh, okay, whatever. Let's say Google was going up right now and it was on a run. And I set a stop trail loss. And I go, okay, as soon as it drops by 1% or 1 cent, it sells because it's trending up. It's going to keep on going for a while. I use that all the time, a stop trail order. And as it goes up, the sell bar raises, and then it drops 1% and sells. That's another way of doing it. So there's lots of ways to do it. If you follow me on Twitter, I post all my trades that I'm about to make before I make them when I'm off air. Here is my Twitter account. If you follow me over there, you can also win free tickets by doing that as well through our competition. So that's it. I've got to get out of here. I've talked too long today. I've got videos to do. I've got stuff to do. All right. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Make sure that you click the like button and you're up to date. Let's go. Competition is just round the corner this afternoon. Make sure that you've taken part. I'll see you back in a minute. Time to roll the credits. Let's have a quick look. Oh yeah. Let's have a look at the credits today. Did we make any money today? Did we get any new subscribers? Thanks for your support. Super chats. Yes, this was for Leah today. Stephen Lewandowski, Mike166A, and Eric. We made $10 for the shopping bill this morning. Very nice. A new subscriber, Bayer Axper. We got more subscribers, but these are the ones that are public. Sometimes people subscribe and go, I'm not on the thing. It's because you don't share. It's in your YouTube settings. Do you make your subscriptions public? Maybe you're subscribing to naughty channels and you don't want anyone to know. Anyway, there you go. Bye. Back to bed. Stephen Lewandowski is back to bed. Rich says, I did that with interactive brokers and stocks trading sideways with a 1% stop loss and 5% profit, 50-50 success rate, but that was in a bear market, but it may be a good idea to try it again. Well, in the bear market, and we are still in a bear market, this is a bear market rally. You just keep buying lower and lower and lower, but you can make money on a bear market. Anyone can make money in a bull market. The hard part to trading is, can you keep your money? Anyone can make money on the stock market. A monkey can make money on the stock market. It's easy. The hard part is to keep it. Can you keep your money? That's what it's all about. All right. That's it. I'm out of here. What we got up to 88 followers on Rumble. Brilliant. See you back in a bit. Midnight. Oh, I want to buy Hood under 9 again. I don't think that's going to happen. Honestly, don't think that's going to happen now. We shall see. I'm nudging it up. I'm nudging it down. 918. 934. Might buy some Robinhood when I go off air. Rivian still falling. That VU account, I'm down 82 cents. I could do that and just buy Hood. Anyway, we'll leave it. Take a break. See you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and each other. The giveaway, martynlucas.com/giveaway. We give it away today. Bye-bye for now.